Hi everyone, welcome back to the mentor. In this video I'm sharing with you new lead generation project which I got on Upwork. I will be showing you everything step by step, so let's get started. First I want to show you the client instruction, then I will show you the word process. So okay guys, let's start it. Here on the screen, as you can see, he provided me this instruction for the lead generation project. Basically he need gym owner leads across the USA, so I will be collecting all this information and will be guiding you step by step. So here what I did guys, first I just open the Excel spreadsheet and here I type all the information like first name, last name, title, email, client personal, LinkedIn profile, and company name, company website. Okay, so all the information I have already put it here, and also as you can read there, he said that all city and the USA, so that's mean we will be collecting a lead from all the city. Okay, so we will be starting from one city first, then we will go to another city. So what I did guys, first I just provide the simple command to the ChatGPT that list city and the USA. So the ChatGPT provide me all the city name which are in the USA. So here you can see. So I started from the first one like Los Angeles. So it's a city in the United States, and California is the state of Los Angeles. So here you can see guys, you can start from any city, from any maybe New York, yeah, Houston, which city one you can start it. So I started from this one. So here what I did, I just type all the information here. You can see I just type here city and then state and country. So I will be starting from this one. Okay, so then guys, what I did, I just opened the Google, and here I just type gym owner LinkedIn Los Angeles USA. Okay, so I just provide this simple command to the Google and it provide me all this information. And remember guys, whenever you are doing lead generation project, there are many ways which you can work on it. So here guys, I just provide the simple command to the Google and it provide me all this lead. Okay, so now I will open the first profile. Okay. As you can see guys, this profile will be open now, and also I just want to recommend you, you can also watch my this video which are also related to lead generation. If you want to learn more about lead generation, you can also check my this video too. Okay, so here this profile has been open guys. Now our job is to see is this person is really owner or CEO of any gym. So we will just go down here guys, and here you can see it's mentioned owner CEO the gym LA. Okay, and he's also present now. So he is the owner of this gym, and now we will collect this person data. Okay, so first guys, what we will do, first we will just copy his first and last name. Okay, so let's copy his first and last name and we will paste it here. Okay, and now I will cut his last name and I will paste it here. Okay, very easy. And now guys, I will just go down, and here you can see it's mentioned owner and CEO. So I will just copy this his title and I will paste it here. Okay, now guys, let's see and find his email address. So to find his email address guys, here is the tool which is apollo.oi. You can use this tool, and there are also some mini tools which you can use, and I will also make detailed video on these guys. Here you can see its email address has been already showing here. So I will just copy this email address. Okay, and then I will paste it here. Okay, so here you can see this email address. Now it's time to copy his personal LinkedIn account. So here I will just copy his personal LinkedIn account and then I will paste it here. Okay, now guys, if I just go down here and with the help of this tool, if I just go down here, you can see this tool also provide me this person website URL. Okay, and also this person company which we also needed. So I will click here on this, so the website will be open, and I will also click here. So this person company website will be also open, and you can also open his company website from here. If you just click here guys, if I just click on it, this person company website, I mean this company LinkedIn profile will be open. Okay, so I will just copy this his company name. Okay, and I will just paste it here. And now I will copy this person website URL. So here is his website, so I will just copy it and I will paste it here. Here guys, there are many ways. For example, with the help of this tool, you can see it's provide me his website, and you can also find his website here. If you just click here contact info, if you just click here, so as I'm using the free LinkedIn account here, so it's not showing me his website data and also his other information. But with the help of this tool upwork.io, it's provide me his website and also some other information which I needed. Okay, so I will highly recommend you to use this tool. It's providing most of the detail for free and you can use it. Okay, so guys, now I will just go down and as you guys can see, I need some other information like his company number. So let's see. So here guys, you can see his company number. I will just copy his company number also. Okay, let's copy it and I will paste it. Okay guys, so here you can see his city name is Los Angeles and state is USA and country we already know it's a USA. Okay, so we have already this information which I have already put it here, Los Angeles, state, country. Okay, so now I will collect other information which is his company LinkedIn. Okay, so I will just come here again and here you can see this person company LinkedIn profile. So I will copy it and here I will paste it. Okay, and here guys, if I just go down below here, you can see this person company Facebook page and below here his Instagram account. So as we also need both information, so first I will copy his Facebook page, so I will paste it here. Now I will copy his Instagram account guys. Okay, so let's copy his Instagram account too and now let's paste it here. Okay, so guys, you can see we complete one entry. Very simple process. So if you do practice on that by yourself, you will learn this skill. And remember guys, the practice are very important. Some people, they just watch my video and then they just think that, hey, I learned this skill and now it's easy for me. No, I know the skill is very easy, but the practice is also very important. So whenever you watch any of my videos, please after watching complete video, then must do practice on the project which I share with you. Okay, so let's remove this data because we already complete one entry. Remember guys, whenever you're working on a lead generation project, try to work hard to find all the correct information and also focus on client instruction. So if he told you that you need to find me his business email address, then you will need to find his business email address. Okay, but if he told you to find me his email address, it could be his personal email address, it could be his business email address. So it's very important to know exactly what the client wants from you. Okay, so it's very important. So still, if you have any kind of question, please let me know. I will try my best to help you. So see you later. Bye.